everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to answer the question, how do I send money to Dubai bank? To send money to Dubai, to a bank in Dubai, what you do is you need to gather the receiver's information. Obtain the recipient's full name, their bank's name and address in Dubai, their bank account number and the SWIFT BIC code of their bank. Then you have to decide how you will send the money. Common methods include using your bank, an online money transfer service like Wise or Remitly, or you can use a specialized money transfer company. The next thing you have to do is go to your chosen provider's platform, maybe the bank branch, online portal, or the app, and start a new international money transfer. Input the amount you want to send, select the currency, and provide the receiver's bank details previously gathered. Next, you have to enter your own details as a sender, including your name, address, and bank account information if required. Double check all the entered information for accuracy, including the amount, recipient details, and the bank information. Fund the transfer using your chosen payment method. It could be bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Then once the transfer is initiated, you should receive a confirmation or a tracking number. Money will then be processed and sent to the recipient's bank account in Dubai. The time it takes for the money to arrive can vary depending on the transfer method used and the banks involved. Hope you found this video helpful.